ready to bring your vision to life. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to create a beautiful professional website using Canva. No coding skill required. Whether you are a small business owner, artist, or blogger, this easy process will have your site up and running in no time. Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome back in this channel where I will show you how you can make a website using canva.com. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. So what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a variety of visual content, including websites, using an intuitive drag and drop interface. It offers a wide range of templates, images, and design tools that simplify the web design process, making it accessible for users without coding or design experience. With Canva, you can easily customize layouts, add multimedia elements, and publish your website directly or export it for further use. So to get started, all you have to do is just click over sign up, and then you write your email address and your password. Then you get started with canva.com. So to create a website on Canva, start by signing up in your Canva account and selecting the website option from the template menu. Browse through the various pre-designed templates that suit your style and purpose, and click on one to customize it. Use the drag and drop editor to add text, images, and elements, adjusting colors and layouts as needed. Once you are satisfied with your design, click the Publish button to either share your website link directly or download it for hosting elsewhere. With Canva's user-friendly tools, you can create a professional-looking website in just a few simple steps. So right now you have to click over Canvas templates, then you search about websites. Here we have create design. We have all templates, photos, icons, creators for you follow. Then we have your home, project, templates, brand, apps, and here we have trash. So for example, I will choose one of this. For example, this one. Or I will choose this one. I will click over customize this template. Then we have here the page. We have here several things. I will show you how you can do that. So we have here first file, create new design, import files, settings, accessibility, save, move to a folder, make a copy, download, version history, move to trash, find or replace text, open in desktop, app, suggest improvement. Then we have here resize also, editing, and we have here comments. So then we have here other things like try for pro. Then we have you can add a comment, you can add another account. We have insights. We have here current page. Have something to say. Select anything in this design to add a comment and start a conversation, and you can just click over add a comment and you get started. Then we have here preview. We have here publish websites if you want, and then you can share it. So here we have zoom. Then we have here scroll view. We have grid view, preview also. Then we have here design. You can add a website here, portfolio, blog, food, and other things. As you can see, we have several things. You can choose the one you want. We have here recently used, our results. Then we have here layouts, match style to brand. We have list here, hero, image, code, homepage, content, images. Here we have gallery, agenda, page, chart, map, video, caption, column. Then we have footer, call to action, article, hidden, contact, text blocks, and other things. If you want to match style to brand, you click over here, and then we have your styles. Here we have create your brand style, look professional with set and forget brand colors and fonts. Then we have your combinations, color palettes, font styles, and the other things. Then we have your elements like frame, arrow, button, line. Then we have shapes here, buttons, graphics, and here we have EA image generator. For example, you can generate your own stickers, photos, videos, charts. Then we have tables, frames, grids, mockups, and other things. Then we have your text. You can just add the text box here. For example, I will add the one here. We have magic white, add your brand fonts, add a hidden, a subhidden, a little of a little bit of body text. Then we have here print. Here we have logos, colors, fonts, brand voice, photos, graphics, icons also. Then we have here upload. You can upload an image or video, record yourself. We have videos. Then we have here draw. We choose the one you want. For example, this one. I will write here Canva. So I'll come back. I will write again. We'll write here Canva. So this is it. Then we have also here other things. For example, if you want to add something here, I will come back. Then if you want to add something here, and we have here comment, background color, animate, for example this one. Then we have here edit timing, position also, add a subhidden overlay pin here. Then we have here copy style, and this is it, how it looks. You can just get started right now. So this is how it works with Canva. So Canva empowers users to create stunning visual content easily and efficiently, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced designers. Its user-friendly interface, extensive resources, and collaborative features streamline the design process, allowing anyone to bring their creative vision to life, whether for personal projects or professional needs. Canva remains a valuable tool in the digital landscape. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any questions feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys, and see you again in another video.